Yes, Mr. Maninder Singh.
My Lord, only a couple of minutes, my Lord, because the written submissions are already filed. My Lord, if your Lordship kindly have, my Lord, the written submissions coupled with the small compilation of judgments, my Lord, which are in our name. Because I tried to find out the PDF number, I was instructed, my Lord,
No,
to...
We have the written submission.
Yes, my Lord. Now, I have only 2 points to make, my Lord, in support of the same submission.
What are the 2 points? You
Yes,
can just
my Lord,
formulate
first
them.
of all, on the point, my Lord, that under Section 4 of the Special Marriages Act, by virtue of, by process of interpretation, my Lord, it may not be permissible for recognition of same-sex marriages.
Just 1 second.
Special Marriage Act.
Yes.
My Lord, under Section 4 of the Special Marriages Act, all sub-clauses are conditioned in
That's
addition.
the...
I don't want to repeat
And what is
it.
the second point, Mr.
Second point is, my Lord, on that as late as 2022, my Lord, I have placed 3-4 judgments of your Lord, my Lord, of the different courts, which, my Lord, 2 are Privy Council and 1 is from Hong Kong, my Lord, where 2 out of the 3 judgments where similar rights had been claimed, my Lord, were declined. And in one of the judgment, constitutional validity of declining this right, such a claim, which was placed before the court, my Lord, is rejected. That is, that a provision we say, no, there would not be any recognition to same-sex marriages, which was put in question on constitutionality, is declined. My Lord, if your Lordship will just have a look at the judge, small note, my Lord, I'll just
Yes.
show Lordship the provision.
It's like that DOMA, the DOMA.
Page 18.
Yes, my Lord.
DOMA was struck down. Here you say DOMA was upheld.
Yes, my Lord.
Page
Yes, your
18.
Lordship is right.
Page 18 of your submission.
Yes, my Lord, if your Lordship may just give me, only make a note, my Lord, in para 14, we have also relied on section 112 of the Indian Evidence Act in support of the first submission. And then, my Lord, if your Lordships come to para 16, my Lord, which is extremely important.
1-6.
Yes, 1-6 at page 7, where 3 provisions of 3 personal laws, my Lord, where there is that ability to procreate, which is one of the conditions in section 4, is a ground for divorce. In all the 3, my Lord, personal laws of Hindus, Christians, and Muslims, which is, my Lord, mentioned in para 16. And then, my Lord, if your Lordship's rightly, my Lord, pointing out
Those foreign cases you wanted to show.
yes, my Lord, page 19 bottom, the Italian Constitutional Court, my Lord, where the Article 29 of that, my Lord, Constitution, which, my Lord, is reproduced at page 11 of the note because the reference is made earlier. Just make a note of, my Lord, Article 29, which, my Lord, was very wide, much wider than section 4 of our Act.
Article
where
29, where, Mr. Sorry?
My Lord, if your Lordship may kindly see page 11.
21.
Page 11 of the note.
Right.
Para 21.
Okay. Thank you.
Page 11 of the note, my Lord.
This is that Oliari, the
Yes, my
judgment
Lord.
of Republic.
Para 21, Article 29, if your Lordship may kindly see the second part of it. Marriage is based on the moral and legal equality of spouses. So, my Lord, by repressing this word spouses when the right was claimed, my Lord, that is declined at bottom, my Lord, page 19 bottom, going up to the next page. Kindly see para 31. And, my Lord, if your Lordship permit me, I've kindly come to 20 and 21, extremely relevant, my Lord, and your Lordship may also keep 2 things in mind. The argument of discrimination and classification, which Mr. Dwivedi had also addressed, I don't want to add. And, my Lord, the benefits to flow from such recognition, which, my Lord, an argument raised here also, both the arguments raised, both are taken up squarely, my Lord, directly, and, my Lord, debated, considered, and declined.
You cited Oliari as well as.
And, my Lord, yes, my Lord, and your Lordships have considered Oliari in, my Lord, the page's judgment, but if your Lordship may kindly...
Para 34 is your Privy Council judgment.
Yeah, and, my Lord, Privy Council, in one of the judgment, my Lord, just give me a moment.
Of Cayman
That is
Islands.
Page 21, last 2 paragraphs above 32, both the grounds of discrimination and other benefits which flow from such a legal recognition of marriage have been considered. And if your Lordships kindly come to 22, This is para 34 is the, my lord, first judgment of 2022, my lord, by the Privy Council, where, my lord, section 14(1) of Bill of Rights was, my lord, which is reproduced in para 34. And then, my lord, the consideration thereof is up to page 24 of my note, and, my lord, which was rejected. Kindly come to para 36, which is that section 53, my lord, of Domestic Partnership Act, which created a prohibition against such a recognition. It's extremely important, my lord, for your lordship's kind consideration. The Domestic Partnership Act of 2018, where section 53 created a prohibition, the constitutional validity was challenged, and, my lord, after consideration, at para 76 and 77 of that judgment, which is reproduced at page 24 and 25, it is rejected, my lord. In Hong Kong, my lord, which is para 37, which is also, my lord, 2022, a similar, my lord, discussion has taken place. Similar contentions have been considered. And if your lordships kindly come to page 27, my lord, para 77, kindly read, I'll just read para 77. Your lordship may kindly have regard to the other portion, and I have placed the judgment copy also in the second compilation. Kindly come to para 77. In terms of access to the institution of marriage, it concerns the special status of marriage, which is a distinct concept from the benefit arising from it. The difficulty or even perceived hardship involved in obtaining the benefits of means of legal challenges does not justify a shortcut bypassing BL 37, my lord, which is Basic Law 30.
All right, Mr. Mahendra Singh.
That's
Thank you.
respectful
Thank you,
submission,
Mr.
my lord. And judgments are, my lord, enclosed. The full text of the judgment
Yes,
is placed
Mr.
for your lord. I am deeply obliged, my lord.
Thank you, Mr. Mahendra Singh.